eventually this angel channel is evolving. I speed it up time so then it won't flicker. So. Let's take a peek. Actually, I can't wait until he gets out. I'll just stare at him. Yay! 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 Ow! Yay! I finally unlocked the angel garden. I knew how to do this and everything, but eventually I just wanted. I couldn't cheat just to get the angel garden. I had to do it myself, so I had to do this. And I especially did this because I was bored. And eventually, I got all the gardens. And usually that one behind me. That I'm eventually not going to go back in. Let's check it out. Usually a PC version looks a way different. There are these trees. Yes, I know you like me. I have to let you go. Thank you for watching, and please watch more of my videos. Please subscribe, and thank you. Right, little ciao.